Now I'm here going to apply the VLOOKUP formula. So for that we required a format of Excel sheet. So I have downloaded from the UIMS. From here I downloaded the Excel file. So I have the two Excel sheet. One is downloaded from the this sheet is the downloaded from the UIMS. The another sheet is the available with the MST marks is given there. So complete sheet was like that. So I applied here some filter. So please remember that it will not work on the filter. If you apply the filter, the VLOOKUP formula will not be applied here. It will not work. So I filtered here some column as per according my needs and my subjects. So I copy the filtered cells and paste all those in the another sheet. So you can delete the unnecessary column. I only need this and UID. So you can delete rest of the columns. I have deleted rest of the columns. I need these marks and the UID. So I will pick the marks on the basis of the UID. So you can apply the formula like that, and please remember no any column should be merged here. If any column is merged, so it will not work. So yeah, you have to be take care about this. So I'm going to apply here formula is equal to V lookup bracket, then select the column of the where the UID is located. So UID located in this column, so you can select any of one cell. So I select this C2, then comma. After that you have to select the table array, not from where you are looking the value on the basis of the UID. So you can select the Excel sheet from where the marks are available. So this is the second sheet where the marks is available. You can select the whole sheet. I select the complete sheet up to the end. Okay, after that press F4. If single F4 will not work, then you can apply function plus F4. So function plus F4. F4 will fix the table. I fix the table. After that apply the comma. You can also apply here, or you can also apply in this sheet. The same will work, and you can also apply here. After that you select the column from which column you want to pick the marks. So here you can see this is the column from where I'm going to pick the number. So this is the column number 2. So you can basically enter the 2, and after that comma, and for more accurate result you have to be put false. You have to write false, FALS, false, and enter. So you can see here NA means there is no marks available for this student. So you can drag it down, and you can see the marks will be visible here. Okay, this will be look like that. If some marks are also available in the another sheet, you can open the another sheet, and one column also you can create it here, and the pending student marks will be also reflected here, and then you can put, for example, this student marks is not available in this sheet, but that this student marks will be available in the another sheet. So you can open the another sheet and apply the same formula, and you can drag and down same by the same method here, by the same way. And so if some for example this student marks will be reflected here, you can write there. Okay, so like this you can use the VLOOKUP formula. It's very easy. Please take care, it will not work on the filtered data, and secondly no any column should be merged, because when you will select the column number, it will pick only the unmerged column. Okay, that's all about the VLOOKUP formula, and you can try, you can give it a try.